Hi friends, it's Deanna here today, and today I have two exciting things to share with you. First of all, you saw in the cover or the caption, I got a new sewing machine. Here it is. This is the Accolade from Baby Lock. I'm so excited about it. I can't wait to share it with you. But there's another thing. There's another surprise. Y'all know I love Baby Lock. I have Baby Lock serger that I got not that long ago. I've got a Baby Lock sewing machine. And the only thing I'm missing is this is gonna be my Baby Lock. This is a Baby Lock. This is a combo of cover stitch and serger. So I was wanting to upgrade my cover stitch, so I'm super excited about it. But I am officially a Baby Lock ambassador. Can you believe it? I'm so excited. I love Baby Lock. And when the opportunity arose for me to become an ambassador, I was like, and it happened. I'm so excited about it. I can't wait to continue to share all the Baby Lock products with you and kind of give you more behind the scenes stuff and information about all the products and share inspiration about sewing with the Baby Locks. But I'm so excited. So we're gonna unbox this box and I'm gonna show you a little bit about this cover stitch slash serger, and then I'll do a more in-depth video later going over like how to convert it from serger to cover stitch, how it works as a cover stitch, all that sort of stuff. But oh, I'm so excited. If you would love to visit my official ambassador page, I'll put that information in the link. You can go check it out and just give it a little bit of support. I'm super excited about it. Anyway, let's get into this. All right, let's open this baby up. All right, let's open this baby up. I can't even believe it that I actually get to do this. I actually get to open this beautiful machine. Oh my word. I'm gonna have to stand up for this because it's a big one. So Baby Lock machines, so there's a catalog with different information on the Baby Lock machines and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. It talks about all the different machines. I have the Baby Lock Jubilant and I have, let me see. So I've got the Jubilant. I think, are these also machines on here? Let's see, sergers. Oh, and I have the Vibrant. So I've got, those are the two that I have. And now I'm getting the Accolade. Adding that to my lineup. So I'm super excited about that. Receive a special offer. So you're gonna register. So I'm gonna make sure I register. Here's our instruction and reference guide. This is really cool because, let me make sure. I just kind of want to make sure that you're seeing what I'm showing you. This is really cool because a lot of like reference guides and stuff are online right now, and I am a in my hands kind of girly. I do like to research online and I watch a lot of videos, but I like to be able to just go on here and say, I want to know how to do a 3-rolled wave stitch. And I can just open this up and it tells me exactly how to do it, and I don't have to go digging through online and trying to figure out who's got to tell me the right thing. And I love that too. I love that there's information online too, but I just like having this in my hand, so I love that, and I'll be putting that away. All right, so this is one of my favorite things. I had to kind of widen the angle so you can see my face because I always feel awkward if I'm like talking to you and you can't see my face. Anyway, this is one of my favorite things. This is a quick reference threading guide. I love having these around. They're like a hard, you know, page paper, and I have them for all my machines, all my Baby Lock machines, and it is awesome because it gives you like information, quick reference on how to thread, the different threading settings and stuff like that. And this machine has so many different options. I am just so excited about it. I cannot wait to learn all about it. But there are also videos on the Baby Lock website. And if you follow my ambassador page, you will see like it has information on all the machines that I own, and it'll have like reference like videos on it. So it like shows you how to do different things and stuff like that, which is one thing that I really, really love about Baby Lock. So yeah, so that's great. I've got some little pieces from my machine. Ooh. And then all the little neat what do you call them? The discs for the threads. It's another looper thingy. All my pieces and my cover, which I don't usually use. My foot, my pedal. Oh. Okay, here we go. This is it. I'm just gonna move this box out of the way. Oh my word, it is so pretty. It's so pretty. I love it. I love the white, crisp look of a new machine. Look at this. Okay, I think it's gotta go from the other angles. It's in there. Okay, we're going this way. Oh my word, it's so beautiful. I love it. So my baby lock Jubilant, you can't see it from here, is got like white and a little teal trimming. My baby lock Vibrant is white and it's got like red letters and trimming. And so this one is white and it's got the gold Accolade trimmings. I love that. It's so pretty. I just ate some hair. I think it's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's got 5 cones. 5 cones, and I can't wait to get into it. I'm so scared to like move it around and do things because I don't want to break it. But here it is. It's the same, you know, format here where it opens in the front. It's got the air threader, so you push the button to thread. So that's amazing. I can't wait to show you all this. Oh, I'm so excited. This is a little lever here that opens the front. Oh my gosh. All right. This is adorable. This is so great. I cannot wait to get into it. So make sure that you subscribe if you haven't, so you can visit me and come back and see the actual video where I go over all the different things once I get to know this machine. Follow me on Instagram at Ezra, where I will be going through and doing more inspirational videos and more of my stories, talking about my machine and all the stuff that I, you know, do with it. And comment below, let me know, do you have a baby lock machine? And if so, what do you have and how much do you love it? I cannot wait to get into this, and I am so excited for it, and I can't wait to share it with you all. And it's so much in there that I'm like scared, but also super excited about it, and I'm just thrilled. I hope that you enjoyed this little look, behind the scenes look into my excited life, and I can't wait to share more with you. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all next time. Make sure to check out my page for my Baby Lock Ambassador page. I'll add that information on the information box below so you can go check it out and see my bio and all that stuff. It's so fun.